welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Girl, get up. Girl, you've been down too long. And it's time for you to get up again. I heard God saying that it's time for you to reach back past where pain met you. To reach back past where you started giving up on who God said you could be. And to grab that little girl who once believed that all things were possible.
So hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I have my love for you, and if you're new to this channel, please feel at home. If you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing if this content really interests you guys. I'm here to complain. Let me rant a little bit. Tell me why it's been 3 days hatuna stima. Jana tulikuwa na stima the whole day. Leo stima imerudi 12 by 4 ilikuwa imepotea. Like hatuna nare bro. Ni nini mbaya? Like it's so bad. I'm getting bored. Simu yangu ina moto, but I decided let me just introduce this vlog as I also complain about another thing. Tell me why someone takes my videos from TikTok, takes my videos, goes and creates an account, calls me Egyptian bari, Lucy sijui Lucy what, and you start giving out my number to men, telling them you will meet them when you go to Nairobi. Now they text me, you give out my number. Funny thing, this person knows me because he or she has my number. And najua ni nani, like sijui ni nani, I'm not certain, siko sure, but I know it's someone I rejected. Kama nimekukata, go heal. You're not the first one nimekata, you won't be the last one nimekata. If you're not my type, you're not my type. Stop doing that. So nikaenda nikasema like I went to my TikTok and nikafinya like you won't be able to save my videos. So because TikTok ukona kidogo hautapata videos za kupost, ukaenda Facebook, ukaenda kaandika hapo ati I'm looking for relationship for marriage. Tafadhali ukikataliwa, relax. Hizo vengeance, hizo revenge achana nayo. Kama nimekukataa leo, bisho hata wengine nitawakata. Yeah, so stop doing that. Whether it's no good. Actually, simple as much as you think it's okay, it's not okay. And yes guys, forgive my hair. Sina nguvu. I just woke up right now. You can hear my voice. I just woke up right now. Only to find out stima bado zijarudi. Simu yangu ina shut down. It's at 22%. Another disadvantage of having an iPhone. But I have my Samsung na iko na moto, so well and good. Yeah, anyway, we'll talk later. I was just introducing this vlog and complaining about that one person mwenye ameamua kunidhalilisha hii internet. Anyway guys, we'll talk later. Have a lovely night, and I just hope and pray that stima zitarudi by 8. Because simu yangu itazima. Uzuri my laptop has moto, I can charge from my laptop. But we'll talk later. Bye. So good morning my loves, how you all doing? Hope you're good. I am good. Actually it's afternoon. I am good, I cannot complain. Today is on Monday and I am going to take my deliveries that I made yesterday. If you're not aware, I sell clothes online and I'm so ready to go. I just want to show you the perfume of the day, what I'm going to deliver, like some few things, and then we head out to town. I'm going to town. Yeah, I chose today because nilijua kesho kutakuwa na maandamano and I have a lot of things to do. Nafaa kuwa by town around 1 and right now it's 12:43. Biashara wewe. Anyway, let me show you the outfit of the day, the spray of the day, and then I'll also take you guys with me. So yeah, as usual I installed this wig myself, and guys what, wig yangu imeraruka. Kama kuna mtu anajua mtu anaweza nitengenezea wig, please assist a girl, please. So anyway, let me show you the outfit of the day, spray of the day as we go. So guys, this is the outfit of the day. Yes, I'm carrying this bag with me. So this is how the whole outfit will be looking like. Don't worry, I know this thing is so long, but sendi kutembea. Actually nienda kukaa kwa place ya rafiki yangu, so people can come and take the stuffs there. Yeah, luckily I have friends. So yeah, that's me. And let me show you the spray of the day. A spring, where is the Savage Dior perfume. It's here Exla. I don't know. Yeah, so this one is not that strong like the other one. That's the difference. So this will be the outfit of the day. That's how I'm looking. Yeah guys, let me show you what I'm taking, and then tutaongea baadaye when I reach. These are the things that I am taking to town. They're so heavy. Oh my goodness. Including this shoe. This is my business phone charger. Including this shoe, guys. It's so perfect. It's so perfect. In a 5, and it's a size 37. It's new. I bought it like any haikunitosha. My leg was slender in this shoe. So yeah, I'll insert a photo of how it looks. In case unaitaka, I'm selling it for 3K. I bought it at 4,500. I'm selling it for 3K. In case you're interested in it, I will tell you kama itaenda sawa ndo you purchase. Anyway, these are the deliveries. Nani mingi, you've seen them. Let's head out. Bye.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in, you knew we couldn't fall back. Knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me. Number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
So hi guys, it's on Wednesday. I'm from sleeping, just woke up. There was no light in this building. Like building iratutesa akuja kwa the light since jana. It's only our building. I don't know what's wrong. No question any piece of, and it has been going on for a while. Anyway, it's on Wednesday evening, just woke up. I went shopping earlier this morning, and I want to do a shopping haul, if it makes sense. Yeah, shopping haul. Then I want to clean up my fridge with you guys and then restock it. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I have my sanitary towels. I use Cortex and always actually because I bought biscuits. I've been trying to make mandazis for the past 1 week, and too bad nilikuwa nimebuy unga pancakes badala ya the normal unga, so I bought this mandazi unga, and I bought the real ajab, like the real unga without the baking nini ndio nipike something else. I have this air freshener, ni inajita morning freshness. Yeah, I bought pasta which I'm cooking today with you also. Leo nafanya vitu vingi na nyinyi. I bought rice. We have milk, mafuta, fresh fry, Indomies, yogurt, juice, milk again, ice cream. By now it may melt, but I had to clean that. I bought Fiesta. Ilikuwa kukula, but I forgot. I bought sausages, meatballs, juice again. Actually, this has become one of my favorite juice. Niliona kwa Jinkiro. I don't know, and I tried it. I have Reiko cubes, a little Blue Band, milk. Me, I'm a lover of tea. We have this, which is always on offer, and I go for it any time of the day. We have meat, isn't it? Wings. We have drumsticks, and we have choma sausages. Yeah, I bought these 6 premium burger buns. I eat them with sandwich. Sikulanga the burger, I do pick a burger. Of which nilifungua. I wanted to taste it, but I don't also like it. I prefer the other one, but Papa kulanga. Yeah. Then I bought bread. So right now I want to clean the fridge. Aki, na imekuwa empty. Let me just show you. Let me just show you my fridge. This is the situation. Like you can let me even just shut up and clean this fridge right now. Kuna dipi za sijui za lini. Kuna, oh my lord.
Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. 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 Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We're going hard. Pour some more into my cup. Sparkling star. Crystal glitter all over. Get in my car. Let's go to my favorite club. Rich like a queen. All my clothes are designer. Life is a dream. Don't wanna wake up from her. Strawberry cream. My lips taste just like sugar. Compared to me, you look like an amateur. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up.
This shit too decent. Scale of 1 to 10, she a 10 piece. Usually I'm the one with the groovies. Shorty so bad.